Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter Product Reviews. Now, this is going to be a little gem that if you do a lot of presentations, whether they're in public or you're doing some stuff for your employer or a company, sometimes being able to point out something physically is going to be very handy. For example, I'm going to go in here and say, okay, now with the pointer, you've got the point tip there, you've got a telescopic piece there, and you've got a good grip handle here to the back. Now, could I have done that with an electronic pointer? Yes, but there's times, especially in smaller rooms, and some companies are really concerned about laser pointers being used. In fact, there's some parts of Europe, I don't think you can even use them. That this is something that don't have to worry about it reflecting off the board, and you can tap on the board and that will get somebody's attention if they're nodding off. So this is a very handy thing to have. This comes as a 2-pack, at least the one I bought did, and that way you've always got a spare, because you never know when accidents may happen, and this way you've always got an extra, because you can't always go down to the corner supply store and pick up another one. So this is a very handy thing to have, especially the more presentations you do. And even if you're starting to practice about doing presentations and haven't already yet, this is another tool you can make sure that people are looking at the right thing on the board instead of somebody looking at something else that's up there and going off in la la land. You can kind of keep their attention. So this is well worth having, and you can always keep it with you and have it ready at a moment's notice. So think about getting one of these, and I think you're really going to like what you see.